Siswami, unjani?
Alright, akhona njani?
Akhona nawe siswami. Siswami igama lami ngulunga wakwaMadigane, ndingubhukulo umkhwanazi umhloko woSosiyete. Ndine show endiyenzayo which is called Mthatha Mtshana Podcast. Apho ke I am local connect segini. Yabo.
Okay.
So siswami le show into esenzayo lesambe sibuza abantu basekhaya uba wena ungubani, wenzani apha kulo Mthatha yabo, and if you have business yabo you can promote your business yabo. Utsho mhlawumbe ke nendawo 1 or 2 yendawo abantu abaya kuzo mhlawumbe, let's say you can refer babayo bazenjoya kuyo yabo.
Okay.
So nje into enjalo siswami. So first question of the day, siswami ungubani?
Oh, igama lami mna ndingululama Nyangana. Originally I'm from Mount Frey, ndilibhacakazi Maswela. Hey. But ke basically lapha eMthatha ke ngoku ndihlala apha eMthatha. Yes, I'm working for Crisis Shield.
Crisis Shield.
Yes, hospital plan of Crisis Shield, you know?
Okay.
If you need anything, okay, you just contact me. Sibhatala wena thina asifane medical aid. Sibhatala wena awulele esibhedlela. And ku premium A1 ngena wena ne-family yakho up to 8 children.
All right.
Yes.
So xa befuna abantu bakufumana njani?
Oh, well, ndikhona number yam ngayigqithisa?
Yeah.
Okay. My number is...
But caution, you are a female, ne?
Oh,
so,
yeah.
For business.
Okay.
For business, very business line then.
Yeah, business line only, guys. Come on.
Yeah. Okay.
It's 081-4974-350.
Okay.
Ndikhona na ku Facebook. Andiswa umtshana kaMakaus Swela. Yeah, better than Swela. Yes, Swela.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, and also guys, ndinguye no Sis Dosh. I'm selling sneakers. I'm selling clothes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Fumaneka on the same number for
yes.
the sneakers and clothes.
Yes.
Okay. So make sure bani follow Usisi, nimlandele, nimkhangele na ku WhatsApp so that yabo you get those orders.
Yes.
Okay, Siswam, I have another question here.
Okay.
You are growing your business. Where do you want to see yourself like in, let's say, the next 5 years? Masters in the Sindosh.
Oh, start the side hustle Sis Dosh. Okay, in 5 years. In 5 years' time, this born and the owner my own boutique.
Oh
yes. Some things and as I'm brains. Yes.
I love that. I love
yeah.
Who's born? Because
Yes.
you only learn and who's born somewhere. Okay, so now my last question. Up Mthatha, yabo. Let's say when you show me from outside, is up how go Mthatha. Nabo. It show me must pull me man Paula for the weekend. Ndifuna nje just your 3 best groove spots eningayabuz.
Oh, of course, Highness.
Highness.
SMJ bypass.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. The last one.
Golden.
Oh,
North Crest. Golden Butcher. Yes.
Alright. Yabulela siswami. And ndiyathemba uThixo akubusise kwande nalapho uthatha khona siswami. Thank you so much. Can you just say one thing for me? Mthatha Mtshana Podcast.
Mthatha Mtshana Podcast.